Giselle Jane Torres. Hi, Giselle. Okay, she's on to business right now. Thank you. Before this hashtag, you want to say hi to everyone on that side?
Hello, good evening, everyone, and good evening to my beloved Kalangap Bukidnon. Thank you so much for coming here.
Okay. Your word is climate justice. Climate justice.
Hashtag climate justice. I believe we should practice green activities or sustainability activities so that we can have a green and good environment. And standing here in front of you is a civil engineer aspirant, which is advocating for eco-green building. And eco-green building is a event that is good for construction through sustainability and diversity, because despite adversity and environment, we shall have a climate justice by practicing even the 5 R's so that we can create a green environment for everyone. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much, Giselle Jane Torres. Right now, let's have La Paz Layton Angel Rose Cabot. Some lights over there. Good evening.
Good evening, Sir Robbie.
Sir Robbie, I feel like a teacher right now. Okay. La Paz Layton. Why don't we appreciate the lights right there?
Hello.
Family. Go ahead.
Hello to my fellow La Paz Laytanians. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting me.
Okay. Are you ready, Miss Angel Rose Cabot?
We're ready.
Okay, let's have your hashtag. The hashtag word is positivity.
As someone who survived one of the strongest typhoon ever recorded in the Philippine history, that moment made me realize that even in the darkest times, we tend to forget to be positive and see the positivity in the darkest times. But as I stand here, I'd like to remind everyone that we are the silver lining. We must contribute, give measurable actions towards our community. That's why I've been advocating towards sustainable engineering, environmental education, because true resiliency goes both having strong infrastructure and informed communities. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel Rose. Thank you. Positivity, a word that we have been afraid of back in 2020 until 2022. Okay, right now, Sunny is Filipino Media of Tallahassee, Florida, USA, Jamie Strickland. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. How are you?
I'm so good. Okay, love that smile. All right, please get your hashtag right now. And she has chosen feminism. Hashtag feminism.
Hashtag feminism. Feminism makes us strong, believing that women in power can make actual change. An example would be Miss Philippines Earth 2025. Us delegates here today, not only just advocating for the Earth, but taking action as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Jamie Strickland, Filipino Media of Tallahassee, Florida, USA. Who run the world? Girls. Okay. Going on stage right now is Filipino Media of Rome, Italy, Kate Gatpantan. Good evening, Kate.
Good evening.
Before you think there's another sir. I feel like a sir tonight with my necktie. Okay, Kate, before anything else, you want to greet all of our kababayan, especially our Filipino kababayans abroad, especially in Italy, right now.
I would like to thank especially my family and my supporters that even I'm alone here, they're supporting me from Italy, and I'm so super thankful for them. Thank you so much.
Thank you. How do you say good evening in Italian?
Buonasera.
Buonasera. Buonasera to you there. Best of luck. Okay. The hashtag is self-reliance. Self-reliance.
Isang makalikasan ng gabi Pilipinas. Thank you for the hashtag self-reliance. I believe that when people recognize their connection, especially to one another, we can act all together and have a better planet in saving our planet, only hope there. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being from Rome, Italy. Kate Gatpantan. like 40% of the audience is filled with banners of Antipolo. How do you feel about it?
I feel so overwhelmed and blessed to be supported by wonderful people. It just fuels me to do better.
I hope it does, especially for this segment. Best of luck, Liz. Please get the remaining hashtag. And she has chosen the thing that I need the most, critical thinking.
I think one of the problems that we have is that we don't use our creative juices. It's high time that we be critical thinkers and come up with innovations that could potentially solve our problems. We have a growing ability to create solutions that could heal and restore. So together, let's promote innovations that work with our environment.